Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat, trading partners along with Bob Iacchino. Let me jump to the daily chart really quick here. So we did yesterday close below this low, so we're watching for the gap fill, continued lower, hitting our next layer, our next levels lower. Let's go back to that 1 hour chart. I'll show you what I'm looking at right now. 1 hour, obviously in bearish mode. We did have a divergence down here at the lower level. So lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI. Would not be surprised to see a retracement move. The first key area based off the 4 hour is right around 1775. Now let me look at the 4 hour. Here we go with the 4 hour. So we're closing just below the rotation zone, but it's flattening out. I'd be watching that 1775 level spot on, which is the upper end of the 4 hour rotation zone. If we did get above that on any rally, I then watch for about 1860 would be next level up, and then on a continued rally above there, about $21. Now, what we're really interested in is, should it head lower, we have the full gap fill back to the opening price here, which was 963. Then we have a major cluster at 864. So you have the rotation zone, but it's really flattening out. So I'm going to be watching that gap fill, then 864 as the next layers of support. And this rally, based off this 1 hour chart, if we do rally, it's not a huge rally. It's a counter trend rally. So don't say, oh, we're going to new highs or anything. This is just a short-term rally where I'd easily be watching just the other side of, I don't know why my indicators are taking so long to show up, the other side of at least a 1 hour rotation zone. And then if it did get above there, just you look at price action on the 1 hour. This 2028 is also, so you can watch that prior support becoming resistance. But if it does start rallying, don't count on a huge rally. Also, SEC is supposedly investigating them for the option grants right before the loan announcement. So we will see how that comes out. But remember, as we talk about many times, vertical up, vertical down. Don't be somebody who gets burned in this. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.